All right, can you guys see it? Can you see it now? Can you see it now? All right, do you see it now? What this is a turkey vest. So if you're out there turkey hunting, you're gonna have the vest, you're gonna be camouflaged, and you're gonna have a place to put your keister. And if you're anything like me, you're gonna be sitting for a long time before you spot that turkey, right? It comes with a butt pad. So you kick this out like this, you put your pad down like this, get yourself in a supporting position, and you are good to go for a while. Just like that. Cinch this up, and it actually has some good back support. So you kind of play around with it a little bit. If it feels too loose or too wobbly, you can tighten this up, and then you can just sit back and relax. Now, the cool thing about this is if you take an aim, you're not gonna get that kickback, right? You can have a steady shot right there. You're gonna have a lot of pockets, places to keep extra ammo, places to keep extra calls. You got all these little nooks and crannies, but the thing I like the most is the quality and the feel. And I love having just these little extra pad on the zippers. It just makes it feel a lot more rough and rugged instead of having the metal little tiny zippers. I mean, you got these big pull things, especially on cold mornings when you're wearing gloves. These are gonna pull down really easy. You don't need to fuss with it. You have a smaller pocket right here that you can reach from the outside, and it depends on where you keep them. You got some extra ammo slots right here where you can put in some shells right here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets right here, and this one comes tied. So this is not a zipper pocket, but another pocket where you could slide that up and cinch it up and then lock it up. So if you have a field knife or something like that you're going to put in there, it will stretch and have the opening the size it needs to, and then keep your knife securely in there. So that is the left side of the vest right here, the pocket vest. And then on the right hand side, they completely have a different design over here where they got 1, 2 taller pockets, a wide pocket, and then another beefy big pocket in here. Now this wide pocket here, let's see, you got the same design on the other side where you can keep some shells in here as well. So they do definitely give you a ton of usable space. And then again, on the left hand side, you got 1 big mesh pocket right here, and then they break it up until you have 2 smaller pockets, which is great if you need to keep like a license or anything like this. You need to keep things separated. That's going to be a great place to store that. Right here you have your beaner, where you can attach some carabiners so you can personalize this however you want. And then you have what I'll call like a water bottle strap or a water pouch. If you're going to hook one of those up there and you're going to sit all day, you need to get your fluids, you run your tube through there, and that's a great place. Or you can hook anything, customize it however you want. That's kind of nice. I kind of thought of everything. So let's take a look at this backside pouch. Now, obviously, if you're going to be sitting in this, you're not going to be able to reach the backside really good. And so you don't need a whole lot of storage space back here, but you do. Oh, that's nice. It gives you an orange cloth right here, which is really nice, especially if you're field dressing, you need something to wrap it in. You can also wrap some really good knives in here. Just having this towel right here is awesome to have, right? So again, you're not going to be reaching back here very often unless you're ready to pack up and move on. And if you get the turkey, then you're going to have all your field dressing stuff back here ready to go when you do need to take this vest off. And that's a pretty good size pocket. You can see that it's about the size of my hand right there. And then obviously your stand, and it sits just like that. So if you're a hunter, no hunter, or just want to look cool wearing a turkey vest, then this might just be your new best friend.